How to factorize 2x add 4. Step 1. Identify the highest common factor. The highest common factor of 2x and 4 is 2. Why? Because 2 divided by 2 gives you 1 and 4 divided by 2 gives you 2. There is no remainder. Again, 2 goes into 2 without leaving a remainder, and 2 goes into 4 without leaving a remainder. Therefore, 2 is the highest common factor. Place 2 outside of the bracket and then write your initial expression inside of the bracket. Then, finally, we divide the expressions inside of the bracket with our highest common factor. Therefore, we'll have 2x divided by 2 and 4 divided by 2. Now, this is our answer. 2, open bracket, 2x divided by 2 is 1x, and 4 divided by 2 is 2. And that is your answer. Let's try this one. You can pause the video and give it a go. Okay, let's start. Again, we identify the highest common factor of 6x and 3, and the highest common factor is 3. 3 goes into 6 without leaving a remainder. 3 goes into 3 without leaving a remainder. Therefore, the highest common factor is 3. Place the highest common factor outside of the bracket and then put your initial expression inside of the brackets. Then finally, we divide the expressions in the bracket with our highest common factor. So therefore, we'll have 6x divided by 3 and 3 divided by 3 as well. Now, your answer will be 3 open bracket 6x divided by 3 is 2x and 3 divided by 3 is 1. So that's add 1. And that is your solution. If this video helped, please like, share, and subscribe. How about trying this one that has x in both terms? Okay, we'll follow the same procedure. Identify the highest common factor, and the highest common factor of 8 and 12 is 4. Also, we have common letters. We have a x here, and we also have a x here. Therefore, in terms of number, our highest common factor is 4, and the highest common factor in terms of letter is x. So we should have 4 for the number and x for the letters because x is common as well. So we can get an x from 8x squared. We can also get an x from 12x. This means x is also a factor. And then we place the initial expression inside of the bracket. And then finally we divide by our highest common factor. Therefore, we divide every single term in the bracket by our highest common factor. So 8x squared divided by 4x and 12x divided by 4x. Now our answer is 4x open bracket 8x squared divided by 4x is 2x because 4 goes into 8 2 times, and x squared divided by x is x. One of the x here cancel one of the x here. So we have one x remaining. Then 12x divided by 4x. So again, let's look on the numbers first. So 12 divided by 4 is 3, and x divided by x is 1. So we have 3. Again, 12x divided by 4x is 3. And that is our answer. Okay, let's try some exam style question. Factorize 16xy, add 24x. Step 1, identify the highest common factors for both numbers and letters. So let's start with our numbers. The highest common factor of 16 and 24 is 8. And the highest common factors for the letters here is x, because x is common in both terms. So that means your highest common factor will be 8x. Then place your initial expression inside of the brackets. And then finally, we divide by the highest common factor, which is 8x. Therefore, 16xy will be divided by 8x, and 24x will also be divided by 8x. And our answer should be 8x, open bracket, 16xy divided by 8x should give you 2y, and 24x divided by 8x should give you 3. Let's try a different question. You can pause the video and give this one a try. Okay, let's check your answer. Again, the highest common factor of 6 and 4 is 2, and the highest common factor of x squared and xy is x. Why? X is common on in both terms, and also the highest common factor of 6 and 4 is 2. Therefore, our highest common factor is 2x. And then place our initial expression inside the brackets, and then we divide by the highest common factor. Therefore, 6x squared should be divided by 2x, and 4xy should be divided by 2x. And your answer should be 2x, open bracket, 6x squared divided by 2x is 3x, and then 4xy divided by 2x is 2y. Let's find the answer for this question. You can try this one, pause the video and give it a go. Okay, let's check our answer. Here again, we identify the highest common factor for the numbers, so that is 5, and the highest common factors for the letters is x, because we can get x from both terms, and also y. We can get a y from both terms. So for the numbers, the highest common factor is 5, and for the letters, we have common letters of x and y in both terms. So that is the highest common factor. 5 for the numbers and xy for the letters. So place it outside the bracket. Place the highest common factor outside the bracket. Again, remember, 5 is the highest common factor for the numbers, and then xy is common. Xy is also common in both terms. So In total, our highest common factor is 5xy. Then place your initial expression. So your initial expression, place this inside our brackets, and then remember to divide with your highest common factors. So therefore 5x squared, y will be divided by 5xy, and 15xy squared will be divided by 5xy. Therefore your answer will be 5xy, open bracket, 5x squared y divided by 5xy is x. Y, 5 goes into 5 one time, x goes into x squared x time, and then y divided by y is 1. Then add 3y. Remember, 5 goes into 15 3 times. The x will cancel this x here because x divided by x is 1, and then y squared divided by y is y, because this y here will cancel one of our y here. So this is our answer, 5xy, open bracket, x plus 3y, close bracket. If this video helped, please like, share, and subscribe. Also, our next video will be on factorizing quadratic expression. So again, thanks, and if this video helped, give a thumbs up.